Alright folks, I'm right down at the waterfront in Vevey and I just thought I'll show you this a wee second. I thought this was a good wee thing. I've never seen that before, see the chairs on the rocks, they're kind of dug in deep. I sat in them last night for a wee bit and just sat and watched the water. And again, look at the view, it's just lovely. So I've been to a Chinese market, I got myself some sauces and stuff to try. It's really cheap. I think I spent about €6 or something. Less than 10 euros. Less than 10 Swiss francs anyway. So for what I got, I thought it was alright. I think Scotland would probably charge a fortune for it. So just showing you along the promenade. And down here, I don't know if you can see glimpses of it. There's the fork. It's a UNESCO site. I don't know. There's nothing in English saying, so I won't bother too much for that. There's another wee statue. I'm not sure who this is. I'm not going to try and pronounce that. He's a poet. It's another wee statue, but there's people over there, so I'm not going to go and film there. Nicholas Goggle. I've never heard of him. Must be like a poet or a writer. There's a fork. I think the fork started off as a temporary thing, but they've just kind of made it permanent. And that's quite a good wee thing to have. It's different, I'll give it that. I think it's to do with the kind of food culture in Vevey. It looks a wee bit corroded there at the bottom. I'm just waiting a wee minute and I'll show you the Charlie Chaplin statue. There's a wee boy over there just now, so I don't want to be filming wee boys and that. But just thought I'd take a wee moment to show you the scenery again, because my belt's too fast. Hang on. Down that way is Stroll. I'm not sure if, I don't know, I think further down that way is Brig, which is I think one of the most expensive towns. I think it's a German kind of town. And I'm not sure, I think over there is Vevey, but we'll see. I'm just waiting a wee bit, I'll show you the Charlie Chaplin statue. But it's a lovely morning, it's 10 o'clock here. I'll just show you. See, there's a Charlie Chaplin statue. And later on I'll be doing a video of Chaplin's World and you'll get to see what that's like, and I can't wait to show you. I'm just walking over a wee bit, give him space, give him a wee time to walk away, and then I'll go over and I'll show you the Charlie Chaplin statue. It's a nice building, I think that's a museum. I'm not sure the alimentarium, whatever that is. You can tell I don't do much research in these videos, I just do it just to show you as it is, you know. Let you see. It's quite busy here last night. Oh, I think they're going. Aye, they're away, so I can show you the Charlie Chaplin statue. There it is, he's cane. That's a nice tribute to him. I don't know how long he lived here. Oh, it is 1952. He spent 25 years of his life here. I'll wait a wee minute to let you see it. Now, I've got a confession to make. I might have mentioned this in a previous video. I think I did, I'm not sure, but I'm a big film buff. I really am. But I'm not a fan of the silent era. It's got its place in history, but I'm a film buff, not a film historian, so my knowledge is a bit limited on that. But I do remember as a kid, I quite liked Harold Lloyd and some of his stuff. But strangely, I don't remember really watching much of Chaplin stuff. Anyway, so that was the fork in Charlie Chaplin statue in Vevey. Please, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.